The shares of Nvidia dipping ahead of the company's Q2 earnings report just after the bell. My next guest calling it the most important earnings report for the stock market this year. He's Dan Ives of Wedbush, joining us here at Post 9. I don't think many would agree. I mean, it's obviously important. The most important thing you're watching for is what?
It's really about what Jensen, godfather of AI, talks about in terms of demand, because there's no better perch in terms of from an AI chip perspective than from what Nvidia sees. So I think it's not just about October quarter, it's really going into the next, call it 6 months. But I mean, we've talked about everything we're seeing from an Asia supply chain perspective. I think it's a drop to mic performance tonight.
What about the possible Blackwell delays and getting more clarity on exactly what that is? Because when you say, well, you'll hear from him on demand, we already know demand's great, yep. Right? We already know that. We heard from the hyperscalers. We know that revenues on CapEx are up 40, 50 times, 50%, I mean, over the period of a year. What about Blackwell?
Well, I mean, I don't view that, even if we're talking about 2-3 months, anything that moves out of the actual October quarter. When we look at from a CapEx perspective, when you look at Blackwell, if you could guide up, call it $1 to $2 billion with a delay, in terms of where the trajectory here, I mean, you're going to start looking at what ultimately will be $5, $6 earnings power for Nvidia when you look out year. And I think the most important thing is here, you have the pieces of the puzzle, this Rubik's Cube. You have the CapEx players that we've seen from big tech. You have names like Palantir, ServiceNow, and others. But as the godfather of AI speaks tonight, this is the final piece that shows that this AI party we've talked about, it's 9 p.m. and it goes to 4 a.m.
Okay, speaking of, hang on just a second. Speaking of AI, Kate Rooney has some news for us regarding OpenAI. Kate?
Hey, Scott. So a source telling me that OpenAI is raising another round of funding. This is going to be led by Thrive Capital. It puts the AI startup's valuation at roughly $100 billion. According to this source, OpenAI and Thrive did decline to comment, but a source close to the matter telling me that Thrive is going to be putting in $1 billion. The Wall Street Journal first reporting this and also has some other details here saying that Microsoft is also expected to put in some additional funding. And this would be the biggest round, Scott, since OpenAI and Microsoft and that deal back in January 2023. Microsoft invested around $10 billion. Of course, there's been this arms race in Silicon Valley in terms of spending. This is expensive to run one of these large language models. They really are building a war chest here. So $100 billion is just a massive number, puts it near the likes of Stripe, SpaceX, some of the most highly valued Silicon Valley companies out there, Scott. But the latest in the AI arms race. Back over to you.
Yeah, Kate Rooney, appreciate that. Timely report, obviously, having Dan Ives sitting next to me. You want to comment on this?
I mean, we have $1 trillion of CapEx, of AI that's coming, down the road. You look how OpenAI's position, that's the golden child in terms of where I view AI. And I think this is just the start. We talk about valuations that continue to increase. It's a scarcity value, no different than Nvidia. What you see on the private side, when it comes to OpenAI, Nadella and Redmond continue to sort of win that race.
So greater picture for mega cap tech itself off the back of whatever Nvidia delivers is what?
I mean, I believe it's going to be bullish. This is what I believe is the start of tech that rallies into year end, led by big cap tech. You got the AI revolution coming to Cupertino, as we've talked about in terms of iPhone. This is the start. We believe it's not just about NASDAQ 20,000, it's about big cap tech. This is just the beginning of the next phase of the bull market, and I think it all starts tonight.
Okay, you're optimistic, it seems, from your notes on Salesforce, which also reports in overtime. You say that you expect the start of an AI era from Benioff, Mark Benioff, and company. What have they been spinning their wheels to this point? I mean, the stock has done nothing. Year to date, they've underperformed, obviously, the rest of tech and the NASDAQ. What's been the problem, and why are you optimistic now?
Sure. It starts with our multiplier. I mean, for every dollar spent on a Nvidia chip, we think $8 to $10 multiplier across the rest of tech. You look at Salesforce and how Benioff had their position, they haven't benefited yet. But we look out in the next 6, 9, 12 months, this is going to be a massive tailwind for them from a cross-sell perspective when you look at their install base. I think it's going to be a slight bounce-back quarter, but this is a name that I think is going to be in the start of a renaissance of growth, and that's everything we see from our check showing It's about the install base, no different than Oracle, no different than we see with McDermott and ServiceNow. Benioff and Salesforce will be next, despite some of the headwinds they're going
I got another analyst I'm looking at right now at Oppenheimer who says of his own field checks, they weighed slightly negative for Salesforce's business activity and operating environment. Quote, we don't anticipate estimates to change material after the earnings update. Just fundamentally disagree with one view versus yours?
Yeah, well, first of all, there's been a lot of skepticism on Salesforce, even going back to the Elliott activism, right? Many thought stock would be so much lower than it is today. I think this is a quarter, not expecting any major fireworks, but I think the story in Salesforce, it's not about this quarter. It's about where this is going the next 6-9 months. And I believe there's a stock that could be up 30-40%.
I know, but why isn't it getting any credit as the market looks ahead 6-9 months traditionally? And all these other companies are getting credit for the AI deliverables that we assume are going to take place. Why isn't this one?
It's a great question. Just like the street missed Palantir, I think many missed Oracle. I think they'll miss Salesforce.